It's been brought to my attention that the Earth pollution crisis is very bad. Until this crisis has been resolved, I am placing the country under martial law. The streets will be under constant surveillance. The military is authorized for the deployment of pollution prevention robots. Starting today, anyone found incriminating themselves by depositing garbage on the streets, in lakes, in rivers, or in swimming pools will be punished.
Sir, we spotted litter in Sector 5, Grid 13, 10 clicks southeast. Request permission to deploy Project PP.
Received. Permission granted.
RVPPP is ready and waiting. Sector 5, Grid 13. Target now moving at 17 clicks northeast. We have approximately 45 minutes.
The litterer is literally going to get lit.